What's pippity poppin', y'all? It's your boy LK Dubs back with another video on the True North Boys channel. You already know, bringing you the best of the best. So let's see. Today, what we're gonna be doing is BAM! EBC red stuff brake pad install, along with some Stock Tech drilled and slotted rotors for all around the car. So we got little squeaky brakes here and there. I don't even know if you guys could probably see. Yeah, definitely not. But anywho, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. If you could actually see the car, she did get a little lower. So a couple things that we've done, we lowered the car on some H&R sport springs. We also installed, you can't really see too well, but we installed a CTS catted downpipe. And she also got a little tune-up with IE, so integrated engineering. So we got stage 2 DSG tune, as well as a stage 2 ECU tune with the little cracks and pops and whatnot. So maybe later on I'll show you guys that. But anywho, I'm gonna throw the car up on some jack stands right now, get it in the air, take the wheels off, and I'll catch up with you guys then. Alright, let's get it. So we got the rotor out, we got the brake pads out. So this is the driver's side right now. As you can see, they're actually, like, honestly, there's a decent amount of life, I swear, on these. I cleaned up the carrier a little bit. I cleaned up this, not really the inside too much, but the outside. That's what people all see, you know. But anywho, kind of wire brush this down, applied a little bit of anti-seize around it, not too much. And yeah, we're just about to put in the new rotors and brake pads. So these are the EBC red stuff brake pads we got from WCT Performance. Big shout out to those guys. And I took a little peek, but not too much. But ooh, big difference. Now I actually had EBC rotors that were drilled and slotted before, but last year I just had to get OEM all around because I couldn't get all my stuff in time. So now we got them again, now all around the car. So yeah, so this will be one video of the front, and then we'll have another video for the back, and a couple other things inside that video. So stay tuned for some goodies. All right, so let's get it. I'm gonna make sure that this is the left one. So on the box, it says R. And so I'm gonna grab the set screw here. Oh, dropped it again. Off to some great starts right here. It won't go in. Alright, cool. So, get the ratchet. Tighten that down. Okay. I think that should be pretty good there. Here. Alright. That's good there. So the new rotor is on. Now we can reinstall the carrier. Over on this one. It's getting kind of dark here, but we gonna make it. All right. goes in. So now, should turn that down. Alright, so we have the rotors on. Well, on the one side, on the driver's side at least. We have the rotor on. We just threw on the carrier. Perfect. Alright, so alright. So we're just gonna have to give it some really good ugga-duggies. If you know what I mean. Where's that big? Take the big boy out. Give her the beans. You got it. Come on. Oh, yeah, on there. How should I do this? Like this? Okay, I'm about to do a whole pull-up. Or maybe I'll just clock my face with the bar. Oh. That'll be some good content, huh? The carrier is tight again. We can now get the brake pads. So I should probably be doing this with my gloves off because everything's clean here. Alright, so time to put in brake pads. So these will go around facing us. And so should be able to maybe just slide that in there. Slide this one right there. And maybe, just maybe. No. Alright, y'all. So everything is in on the driver's side. The new rotors are in. Got the brake pads in. Caliper and carrier are all done. This is obviously just shaking because there's no pressure on the brake pad from the piston. So yeah, and we're looking nice again. Ooh! So I just sprayed up some of the bolts on this side, everything that we need to take out, and yeah, I'm gonna start on that. The only really hard thing, really, I guess you could say hard thing, is, and I guess this really is dependent on your location and also how long you actually change your like brake pads and rotors, but the rotor coming off is really the only thing. Like, you kind of gotta really wail, you know what I mean? So yeah, but other than that, we're about to get started on the passenger side, and I'll check in with you guys when all that's done. So yeah, later. Alright, y'all. So, just checking with y'all. We got the passenger side off, excuse me. And surprisingly, they're actually pretty even. Like, obviously the piston side is going to be more. But, like, 2 years ago when I did this inside one was like, this one would be the same, but this one was like all the way like in there. But anywho, we got the other one sitting on top there, so we're gonna go get that. That's all cleaned up, ready to go. So I guess I'll just throw this wheel on, clean this caliper up a little bit, throw the wheels on, and then check in with you guys then. Alright, y'all, so everything is on except for the wheels, obviously. I'm just deciding to re-clear coat. Oh, yep, that's probably why. Re-clear my mirror caps here. So that's what we're gonna do. We have two of them right here. We got some clear coat. Where did I put it? Oh, right here. Bomb. So we got some it's 2K actually, 2K clear coat. So we're gonna spray these down. This is how they look, the before. And I'll show you guys after. Alright, yeah. Bro, it's light. Yeah, great. Anywho, so car is done. About to start it up. So we got the rotors and everything on. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys. Pretty sure that I clear coated the mirror cap. So I'm gonna turn it on, move it on out. You guys could take a look at it. Oh, yeah. What I'm about to forget to do is fully tighten down my lug nuts. Rookie moves. Rookie moves. Bomb. Alright, now we're ready. Woo. 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 Well, there you guys have it. That's the end of the video. She's all buttoned up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that, smash that like button, might I say. Hit the subscribe button and be sure to share with all your friends, homies, family, whoever you want. So until next time, deuces.